that is known as our scarlet ibis, but the one running across here, that was a chicken, okay? So with that, ladies and gentlemen, we have one more chicken joining us, and that will be a bantam rooster, okay? So everyone, if you're ready, keep your eyes at that hut. Let's welcome Charlie, our bantam rooster. Hello! Hey, touchdown! Can we give Charlie a round of applause? Now, many of us think chickens cannot fly. That's not true. Charlie here has proven us otherwise. Okay, Charlie, you can fly back home all the way to me. Bye-bye. Okay, let's highlight the natural behaviors of macaws. Macaws in the wild, they love to congregate on palm trees to feast on fruits or nuts. So right here we have a tree with fruits and nuts attached for our birds. So ladies and gentlemen, if you are ready, keep your eyes right back there. Let's welcome Gaia, our hyacinth macaw. And joining Gaia will be Adric, our scarlet macaw. Now macaws like them, they can be found in the forests of South America. Coming back to Gaia, Gaia is right here. Gaia is our hyacinth macaw. Now hyacinth macaws are one of the 4 blue macaw species that you can find in the world. Right here in the bird park, we have 3 of them. So don't forget to check them out at the parrot paradise, okay? Now after feasting, these birds they often fly to rocky areas such as this to lick up on clay or chalk. This will help them with the digestion of any unripe palm nuts or fruits that they have eaten. Looks like Adrian is still here, not to worry. This will definitely be his next stop.
Hello, Mitra.
Oh, hi Azhar. Who's that?
This everyone is EP, a scarlet macaw. EP is Jurong Bird Park's Gold Green for Wildlife Ambassador. You see, EP is so environmentally conscious that he will only use reusable cups, containers, and utensils. You look very confused. Yeah, let me explain. Let's say you are a drink seller, okay?
So in a hat?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, if you were to give EP a plastic cup to drink from, he will not use it.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, I have a plastic cup here.
Okay, this is what I'm talking about. The single-use disposable plastic cup. Okay? EP, Lita is giving you this cup to drink from.
Oh, look at that. He's returning me the cup instead.
That's right. That's because EP does not like single-use plastic. So even if you give him a reusable cup, but it has those plastic straws, he will not use the straw.
Oh, is it? Okay, never mind. Let's see. I have a disposable straw here.
You don't believe me, huh? Okay, never mind. Everyone, watch. Look.
Oh, yes, he is returning me the straw.
What did I say? What did I say? Now, how is he going to drink without the straw? Everyone, look. Let's see how he does it. Good job, Eddie. Good job. Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, plastic has invaded our waters to such an extent that by the year 2050, there will be more plastic than fish in our oceans. In fact, plastic is known to kill more than 1 million animals and fish every single year. And that's why plastic is the deadliest monster in our oceans.
Oh no, that's an alarming rate. Now we cannot help fight these deadliest monsters by avoiding the use of single-use plastics. Just like EP, let's all avoid straws and bring along a reusable cup or container when we buy takeaway food or drinks. And when we go shopping, let's bring along our very own reusable bag instead of getting a plastic bag, okay?
Good idea, Nita. I also brought my own bag. Let's use this one.
This is not a good idea. No, not this one. That's a plastic bag. You're supposed to use a reusable bag. This one.
Oh, this is a reusable bag, huh?
Okay, in goes the bag. That's right, and in goes the hat. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's give EP and Azhar a round of applause. Thank you. Azhar.
Yeah.
You can have this. You can bring this back to you. There you go. Now, for the next act, we will be inviting 2 very beautiful birds. So, everyone, if you are ready, keep your eyes introduce the both of them to you, okay? They are a very beautiful couple by the name of Mr. and Mrs. EXO. They are a husband and wife team. Now these two birds, they are very loyal to one another. When one goes, the other will follow, okay? So watch this, everyone. Hi, do you want to join us here? Come on. There you go. So I'm going to place the both of them on the stump right here. Okay, Mrs. EXO, you lead the way. Mr. EXO, you follow our Tokyo Toucans, everyone. Now, what differentiates parrots from other animals is their ability to copy sounds, and they do this in the wild for social communication. The yellow-hipped Amazon parrot is famous for its ability to copy sounds, and we have one such bird today. So everyone, get your video cameras ready. But one gentle reminder, as you can see, the sky is a little bit gloomy this afternoon. I need you guys, those of you taking pictures or videos, turn on your flashlights, okay? Thank you very much. Oh, you want to shake? Oh, there you go. That was a lovely handshake. Thank you very much. Okay, can you introduce yourself? Can you tell everyone here your name? What's your name? Did you hear that? His name is Pao Pao. Pao Pao means baby or precious in Mandarin. Okay? You hear that one more time? Tell them your name. Pao Pao. There you go. Pao Pao is his name. Now Pao Pao, before you start, you have something to tell everyone, right? What is it? What time? This is... He wants everyone to remain silent so that all of you can hear Pao Pao loud and clear, okay? Pao Pao, you ready? What's the first sound? You heard that? That's the sound of someone knocking on the door. And when someone knocks on the door, what do you ask? Who is it, Pao Pao? I think I know who is it. It's your friendly neighbor, the dog. Is it the dog? Aw, that sounds more like a cute little puppy, right? Okay, let's move on, okay? Let's move on to high-tech sounds. Ready? What sound is this? Okay, that's the sound of a ringing telephone, and when the phone rings, you pick it up. What do you say? What do you say when you pick up your phone? Hello, right? Papa saying hello. 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 Can we give Papa some encouragement, everyone? Good job, Papa. Okay, let's move on. Okay, let's move on to human sounds. Sounds that you and I make. So when we are sad, what do? We cry, right, Papa? Can you show that how you cry? Aww, what a sad bird. Now I'm going to cheer Papa up. I am going to tickle him. Watch this, everyone. There you go. I think he's afraid of tickles. And when he's really very happy, he will do his happy dance. Come show them your happy dance. Round and round and round. You go. There you go. That's his happy dance. Now Papa is also learning how to sing. Okay, so for now, he can sing one line of the birthday song. Okay, so by any chance, is there anyone celebrating a birthday today? It's the 2nd of July. Anyone? Birthday? Nobody? Okay, how about tomorrow? Yes? Okay, we have one. Alright. So this line of the birthday song, Amen, you don't have to come now. You don't have to come now. This line of the birthday song goes out to you. Okay, are you ready, Papa? Can you sing her a birthday song? Papa, that was a bit too fast, Papa. Can we slow down? Can we do it together? I'll sing with you, okay? Ready? Happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. There you go. Happy birthday. please bear them in mind before you get yourself a pet parrot. Now the next two birds joining us are hornbills, and they are going to show us how loving they can be. So everyone, if you are ready, keep your eyes right there. Let's welcome Pepper, our popcorn reed hornbill. Hello, Pepper. Now popcorn reed hornbills like Pepper, they can be found in Africa. In Asia. Okay, whereby hornbills in general, they can be found in two continents of the world, Africa and Asia. Now, when the female hornbills wants to nest, they will look for holes or cavities in trees. Can you see the nest box right there? Now, that nest box is similar to the nest boxes that we give our birds right here in the Jurong Bird Park. Now, Pepper and myself will be coming up the flight of stairs. For those of you seated on my right and left, do not touch the bird, okay? You ready? Let's go up a few steps higher so the people at the top can have a closer look at Pepper. Ma'am, you need to turn off your flash, okay? Turn off your flash. Thank you very much. There you go. Beautiful bird, isn't she? Okay, Pepper, if you are ready, okay, before that, we need the gentleman to have his seat. Come on, hi sir. Could you sit down, please? Hi sir. Okay, thanks, Maria. Maria, can you just help me out a little bit? Okay, this is for your safety as well as for the bird's safety as well, okay? And off she goes. Okay, so what she's doing right now is she's inspecting her nest box, and only if she likes it, then she will hop right in. You like it? You go in. Oh, that was fast. Once inside, she will then seal herself in using soil, regurgitated food, or even her own droppings. So Pepper, if you like your nest box, you can seal it up now. Oh, that was fast. Pepper, are you still inside? Oh, there she is. Now everyone keep your eyes right back there. Let's welcome Sunny, a great white hornbill, Jurong Bird Park's animal icon. Now when the female hornbills are in the nest, the male would then go out to look for food to feed her, and this will take up to 3 or 4 months until the eggs are hatched. Now in the Jurong Bird Park, we have been successful in breeding oriental pied hornbills. Thanks to your contributions to our conservation fund, we have released some of them into nature reserves in Singapore as well as right here in the bird park. So after the show, just look out, okay? You can spot some free flying oriental pied hornbills. Now in a very short while, Sunny will be making another flight down. Look at that. Wow, beautiful wingspan. Sunny, Sunny, Azza is here on stage waiting for you. I think he took the wrong landing. Okay, let's just give Sunny another time. And a touchdown! Sunny, a great white hornbill, everyone! Very nice music. Now comes the time to simply enjoy the bird's flight. If you want to volunteer, we have trainers coming up to your section, so try to get their attention, okay? Alright, we have Maria on this side, Durga in the center, and Shakira on my right. And on my hand right here, I have Vega, our scarlet macaw. We will be joined by Kaya, our blue and yellow macaw, in a very short while, okay? Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, if you are not chosen as a volunteer, I need everyone to remain seated and put your hands down. Come on, everyone, remain seated and put your hands down. And when these two birds are flying, please do not compared to the first flight. So I need your full cooperation to remain seated at all times. I still see a lot of flashlights everywhere. Please turn off your flash, please. Thank you very much. Okay, volunteers ready? Is Kaya ready, Lynn? Ready? Okay. Ready and go. Wow! They did it! Thank you very much, Kaya and Lynn. Thank you. And big up to you too, Vega. Well done. Okay, so this time Vega is going to fly solo. Durga. Hi. He's gonna fly one more time. What are you doing to the hoop? You're gonna make the hoop smaller? How? No, don't break the hoop, Durga. Oh, wow. How did you do it? Number 8? You're gonna fly through the number 8? Even smaller? Wow, how did you do that? That's amazing. Now, are you sure Vega can do this, Durga? Yes, now Durga's pretty confident because of course they have streamlined bodies. And this allows them to fly through the dense vegetation of the rainforest to escape from potential dangers or predators. Everyone, Vega needs to focus. Are you ready, Vega? Wow, we did it! Good job, Vega. Can we give him another round of applause? I think he did a very good job. The hope is all the way back to Lynn. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we will be joined by 2 more macaws on stage. Now, birds, they often gather food for their young, especially during nesting season. So, we are going to have a little competition right now to see who is faster at gathering fruits, and they need supporters. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to split all of you into 2 groups. People from this side to this side. You will support Zonda, our blue and yellow macaw. So I need everyone right here to clap your hands and cheer for Zonda, just like this. Zonda, Zonda. There you go, not bad, very good. Okay, let's start now. People from this side to this side. You will support Barry, our green-winged macaw. Same thing, louder than them. Come on, everyone. Barry, Barry. There you go, excellent cheering as well. Birds to the table. So, right here with me, I have a hollow tree trunk where these 2 birds will be gathering 4 fruits each. Supporters, are you ready? Aww, so many of you. Come on, we'll do this one more time. Are you ready? There you go. Birds ready and go! Barry won that! It was Barry! Anna, I could see you from the back, okay? You want one more game? Zonda wants one more game. Okay, I'll ask everyone. Shall we have one more game? Okay. Let's give Zonda here a second chance. You see the hole in the back? I can actually see you, okay? Alright, so 4 fruits on each side of the table. Zonda supporters, you have to cheer much louder, okay? Ready and go! The winner this time is Zonda! Looks like we have a draw this afternoon. Oh, be choosing the paper or wood that we buy comes from recycled sources. Remember, you and I, we have the power to choose what we buy. So let's make the right choice and make a difference for all our fellow friends today. Now, looks like we are all set to go. If you want to take pictures with our flamingos, do stay on a little while longer. I will give you more details.
birds of prey have captivated men with the speed, strength, and agility. And just a short while, there'll be lots of birds flying all around this arena. And some of them right by your side. Would you like that? Yes, great. Some of you are nodding your head like that. Not to worry, though, I need a favor, okay? Though when the birds are flying really low above your heads, do not attempt to reach out and touch them. This is very different from the previous show that you just watched, okay? You need to hit back home with still 10 fingers or keep your hands to yourself. Alright, very important. Next, to remain seated, everybody. Do not stand up at all. The birds are flying really low. You do not want to obstruct the flight pathway of the birds, and of course the view of the audience. So what you need to do is remain seated throughout the entire show. Okay, do not stand up at all. The next thing, everyone, some of you are consuming snacks. Do keep all your food items aside. The birds can be quite curious. They cannot take your food without your permission. Alright, so those with food and snacks, do keep them away immediately. Alright, so all of you, are you ready? Yeah? Unfortunately, I am not ready because some of you are still standing up. Alright, so we need to make sure everybody's well seated, comfortable, and then we can start the show. For those of you just coming, do take your seat as soon as you can. We do have 2 shaded areas. The family there, you're comfortable there? Yeah, okay, you're perfect. No, I will still entertain you. I will not forget you, okay? Don't worry. So do get seated, that's fine. You have there. And how about the lady with the black top right at the back? Would you like to get seated? The first bird coming out, you will know why you need to be seated, okay? Because I'd like all of you to take your hand home with you too. Not down here, alright? Okay, once again, that's with my colleagues at the back. Please stop getting people into the arena. Do just hold them back there. Do not bring them in anymore, please. Thank you so much. Everybody, let us begin. Well, everybody, meet Susie, our American bald eagle. Give her a big hand, everybody, for the beautiful flight. Very, very nice. Now, she's native to the North Americas, one of the largest bird of prey in that continent. Well, some of you are wondering why are they called the bald eagle, right? When she does have feathers on her head, or when she flies really high in the sky, her head camouflages against the white clouds, and people thought they are bald. But as you can all of you see very clearly, she does have feathers on her head and can be found near very bodies of water, where she likes to find her favorite food, and that would be fish. Any fish nearing to the surface of the water, she will come down and swim them out of the water with the very powerful and strong feet. That is why my fingers are never near those feet at all. Very powerful bird indeed. Now, by the way, folks, our Susie is already 18 years old, and it's time for her to head back all the way home. All right, everybody, a round of applause for Susie, starting off the show. Very nice. Good one. So that was an eagle with phenomenal eyesight. Our next one is particularly for the adults, okay? So all the adults, the question goes out to you. This bird has a very powerful sense of smell, able to detect the stench of carcasses from many miles away. Like to eat dead animals. So what bird? Well, everyone, meet Titan, our turkey vulture. Really good flight. Of course, turkey vultures can be from the tip of Canada all the way down to the tip of South America. They're the most numerous of all vulture species in the world, numbering way more than 10 million of them in the wild. So because of that huge number, they're known to be a smoke signal, whereby they'll circle in the sky when they detect the carcass. And as soon as they descend upon the scene of the carcass, all the other vulture species will follow suit. Now let's take a very close look at a very handsome Titan over here. Let me bring it over to you. Okay, all of you look at his nostrils, alright? Now look at his nostrils, and can you see his nostrils is extremely hollow, it's see-through. Can you see that? Yeah. That's a strong factor for his keen sense of smell, way better than other vulture species in the world. Yeah? You can see he's a very photogenic, but he loves the limelight. You have good shots of him? Yeah, you do. Okay. All our celebrities here love the photos. All the way back to your trailer. Okay, bye-bye Titan, right now. Alright everybody, give it up for Titan! Now, thank you Vulture for today. Thank you Sean. Alright, so that was the adults, and let me give you a question for the kids now, alright? Children, I've not forgotten you, not to worry. So this bird like to hunt for food in the night time. What bird is that? Owls, very good. Thank you so much for the young kids. So right now, your point is to find the bird. Where is the owl? Look behind you. Can you find any owl today? Anybody found it? Yeah, we're going to run at the back, okay? Now that owl is going to be a silent flight for you. A gentle reminder to all of you, remain seated and try your very best to look out for the bird if you can hear any sound at all coming from its wings. Very good flight indeed. Alright, now apart from the vocalization, did you hear any sound coming from the bird's wings, everybody? No, exactly, perfect answer. Now owls, they do have soft edges at the tip of the feathers to absorb the sound frequencies created by the wing flaps. Well, that's not the only reason, everybody. There's another reason too. Anybody here know what do owls like to hunt for in the night time? Mouse, exactly, very good job, right? Mouse, rats, and mice, exactly. Now all these are classified as rodents. So rodents come out at night and they have an acute sense of hearing. So the owl needs to be really quiet in order to hunt for the food without being detected at all. That is why they're also known as the silent hunters of the night. So right here we do have belang. Now belang is a Malay fish owl, also known as the buffetfish owl. Now they can be found throughout Southeast Asia, and this particular species has evolved to hunt for fish, making them a very unique species indeed. Well, speaking of very unique, look over to your left side. That owl is commonly known for the hypersensitive hearing. That means they're able to hunt for food in total darkness. That's a barn owl, by the way. Its name is Soren. That's right, very good flight. And look at the beautiful flight again, very southern edges as well. Particularly the bird, where once again they're able to hunt in total darkness, so not by looking at the prey, but just listening to the movements and sound of this prey. Really powerful hearing, and of course there's more advantages because of the asymmetrical hearing, allowing each ear to focus on different range of sounds of each ear, and that allows them to triangulate the exact location of the prey. Yeah. Now belang is 10 years old, the one on my arm. Now look over to your left side. Now would you want to guess how old is that bird? It's younger than belang. 5. Who said 5? Yeah, perfect answer. Well, how do you know that's 5? Was it just a rough guess? Oh, it looks a lot smaller, that's true. Yeah, it looks a lot smaller, but that's fully grown, by the way. And 5 years old is perfectly right answer, alright? Thank you, Soren. Yeah, that's the name, right? Bye-bye, Soren. I'm so used to it. Okay, there we go. Thank you, Shawa. Alright, now, of course, Soren there was a beautiful flight and left over to belang right now. Now, how many degrees can this bird rotate this thing? Anybody knows? 270, okay, but I heard 360 as well. Okay, 360, 270. Any different answers? Anybody? Okay, so this two common as well. The correct answer is 270. Thank you, man. 270 is perfect on. Now 360 is not possible. It's a full circle, okay? So you can only see full circle in a horror movie. Yeah, not from an owl. Now 270 is because of the 14 neck vertebrae allowing them to do so. If you look at their eyes are long tubes, okay? So they can't rotate their eyes like all of us. We can rotate our eyeballs, but they cannot do that. That's why to compensate that, they can rotate their neck instead to see the different directions. Alright? Thank you so much, belang. Alright, at the back and follow Soren back home. Everybody, a round of applause for belang, our Malay fish owl, giving a beautiful appearance this afternoon. Good one. Alright, so far we have seen birds of prey. They can be very good hunters, okay? But the next one coming up is going to show you how smart he can be. Smart in the way to find for food in the wild. So let me just get the stage all set. These are the different markers for the bird to perform its behavior on the show. Let me just get the basket right back into the wardrobe and we're about ready to call the bird out, okay? Okay, everyone, are you all ready? Okay, good. So get your cameras ready and let us now meet Raul, everybody. Hello, very good afternoon to you, Raul. Our southern crested caracara can be found in Central and South America, able to overturn the rocks just like that to find for food such as worms and insects. Very opportunistic hunters, able to forage on forest floor as well with a pile of leaves. Well, that was really good, okay? He's very good hunters in foraging the forest floor. That was the rocks and the leaves, and he's following me here to get a tree bark. He will use a different technique to overturn the tree bark and find the food underneath it, alright? Here you go, Raul, right that side. That was really well done. Now, apart from the long legs and flat claws, he was using his beak as well to find for food and overturn it. Now, in the wild, any insects were to fly in mid-air, they will catch them in vertical flight. So, Raul, are you ready? Okay, you go. Wow, that was a low one first. Yeah, he got a bit of my nail too. That was a very good one. Let's do a higher one. Raul, one. No, he's not interested. Raul, he's going right up there to get for you more shots. All the celebrities, they love their photos taken, alright? Raul, would you like to go one higher one? Right, good boy. 1, 2, 3. Nice, everybody, round of applause. Oh, Raul, fantastic job right there. Well done. Okay, so again, he wants his photos taken, alright? So everyone, let's do a guessing game again. Anybody want to guess how old is this boy? Yeah, your guess. 7? Okay, you're pretty far. He is already 30 years old. 30, yeah. Very handsome still. Yeah? Thank you so much, Rob, for joining us, showing your ability right home that side to Yolan. Bye-bye. Everybody, Raul, outside and Crested, caracara. Very nice job. Alright, there's still lots of you joining us, so do take your seats as you can, and we'll have more bits joining us. Alright, it is now time to move on to the interactive portion of the show. It is where I invite one of you right on stage to help me out. So I need a brave and young volunteer. Would that help me out? Brave and young. Some of you that's raising your hand, you were young a long time ago. Okay. Alright, that next time is only for kids, okay? So as I was saying my script right there, there was one young boy that was really fast, and that was this boy with the black top. Yeah, you. Would you want to help me out? Yeah, come on in, come on. Everybody give him a round of applause. A sporty guy today. Hello, handsome, right over to the middle. Okay, so you need to stand right there and I'll look at the audience and can you give them a very big smile? Hello, smile. Okay, very good. That was the biggest smile you can give, okay? Now let me get something for you. In the meantime, would you like to tell everybody here what is your name? What is your name?
Vedan.
Say again?
Vedan.
Vedan. Okay, which country are you from?
Austin.
Yep.
America.
You're from there?
Yeah.
You're from there, Austin? Okay. Everybody, Adam from Austin, give you a round of applause there. Very nice. Welcome to you. Are you here with your mom and dad?
Yes.
Yeah, where are they? Can you please point to me, where are they? Right there. Okay, good. Please take good photos and videos of him, alright? Very important, good experience for you. But most importantly, all the photos or your videos must include something else. Yeah, you must tell mom and dad it must include the host too. Yeah? Alright, very important. Okay, here you go. A bamboo stick for you hold on to with 2 hands, please, Bella. There we go. And stretch it out like that. Very good. So what I will do is to skewer a piece of meat right at the top of the stick like that. It will be dangling like that. And we're going to witness a bird of prey, a raptor trying to snatch that meat from you. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Yes, I can see a big smile. Very good. So, when the bird comes over, do not swing the stick at all. You need to be absolutely still, okay? Very good. Everybody look over to your right side and let us now welcome Rado onto the stage. Wow, that was a very fast night. Well done, Rado. Now, would you want to try it again? Yes, I can hear. Yes, that Rado is really fast. Let me do a quick one right at the top. And let's witness Rado coming back for the second time. Everybody, a round of applause. 2 consecutive catches. That was really good. Now, how was that?
Awesome.
That was awesome, Rena. Do you felt the stick moving just now?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very strong. Let me take the stick back for you. Are you happy?
Yes.
If you're happy, you must jump up and down. Please jump. Very good. Okay. Everybody, give a round of applause. Our Austin volunteer. Well done to you. Back to your family. Safe and sound. Thank you so much once again, our brave one. Now, some of you are aware what but this is. It is a Brahmani kite. The Brahmani kites are very agile. They can catch food from many surfaces and even insects in mid-air as well. So let's see, Rado would like to demonstrate to us how good and agile he is. Alright, where's Rado? Here we go. Wow, you saw that. Everybody let us now welcome our team of Ramanikai. Okay, I can see something very excited over this. That's really good. Let's do 5 throws into the air. And let's see how many of those throws can they catch, okay? So let's start with the very first throw. Where are they? Okay, there's 2 over there. Let's start with you. Number 1. Oh, wow, that was 2. Very good. Was 1 and 2. Number 3. Right now, let's go for the kite coming from this side. Number 3. That was number 3. We have 4. Wow, you need to support them, everybody. Louder applause. Yeah, we have 1 more throw to go. 1 more throw. Let's make it a very high one coming from the back. Wow, everybody, that was 5 out of 5. Give it up for the Brownie guy. Well done. Now they like to land on the trees above your heads, okay? So you can look at them, but just do not open your mouth so big, okay? Just in case something drops inside. All of you having fun, yeah? That's really good. Well, let's continue the show right now with another volunteer. I need another help, but it's a way bigger bird this time, so it has to be a very brave and strong gentleman, okay? My bad. Brave and strong lady instead, okay? Because that was a very young boy just now, all right? Any ladies would like to help me out today? Any ladies? Or how about you? Yeah, you, the dress. Yeah, come on in. Okay. Everybody give her a round of applause. Yeah. Hello, good afternoon. Come on in. Right over to the middle. Okay, that's a good spot. What's your name?
Heather.
Heather. Is it Heather?
Heather, actually.
Oh, Heather. Okay, so where are you from?
Thailand.
Thailand. Heather from Thailand, everybody. A round of applause. Welcome to Singapore. Is this your first time?
Yes.
First time. Have you handled any birds before?
When I was
Right. Oh, okay, that was a long time ago, yeah? Okay, let's not announce that then. Okay. So are you here with your family or your friends? Are they here? Your family right there? Oh, your son, is that the one with the blue top, right? Okay, very good. He feels a bit lonely there. Okay. Do you have something to record your mom or your... No? No, nothing. Okay, it's fine. Okay, no worries. Here you go. A set of gloves for you to put on your left arm. 4 fingers and 1 thumb inside. There you go. Yeah, you can put it in. There we go. Are you nervous? No, very confident. Okay, that's good. You can stretch your arm over to your left side and lock your elbows. Very good. That'll be a big butt landing on this arm. Would that be okay for you?
Yeah.
Good. Just now you saw the Brownie kites, right? It's about this size. So the bird coming out on your arm would be this size. Yeah, it's way bigger, right? So please do not run away at all. Yeah, I've locked the gates just in case. Are you okay? Oh, okay. You want to run that side? Okay. Now, in case something wrong happens, which we hope does not, if it does, just keep smiling for the cameras. Yeah. Very good. Something wrong, just keep smiling. Nothing goes wrong. Yeah. Are you ready? Good. Everybody, look behind me. Let's welcome Hazel right now. Wow, very good landing. I love the wingspan. And your hand was absolutely still really good. Well done. Now Hazel making a very short flight right over to Wani. Thank you, Wani. Wow. Now that was the first flight. You look really happy. How was that?
Lovely.
That was really good. You saw the wings, right? Huge. Exactly. Now look over to your left side. I'm going to give you 3 options. Hawk, eagle, vulture. Choose one.
Eagle.
That one, then say eagle. Say vulture. Correct answer. Well done. That's right. Vulture is perfect, alright? Let me tell you why it's a vulture. Now look at its head. You can see it's got little or no hair at all. That is how you define it. It's a vulture. That eagle with a full head. Yeah, exactly, yeah. So look very carefully. That's a vulture. To be exact, is a hooded vulture. Hooded vulture can be found in Africa, one of the smallest species. And unfortunately, Hazel and everybody else, that is critically endangered. So not many left in the world. You just handled a very rare one, very lucky. Yeah? So you want to handle her again? Okay, this time you go closer to the audience, so let's take 2 steps forward. That's a good one. Stretch your arm in front of you, and I need your help. You need to call the bird's name. So the bird is Hazel.
Hazel.
Very sweet calling right there. Wow, good landing, very good landing there. You just give Hazel a slap just now? No? Okay. Now give a very, very good smile to everybody. You're going to be very famous right now. And the question for you is, when the bird is on your arm right now, let me let go of my arm, is she heavy or light?
Heavy.
She's heavy, okay. So from 1 kilograms to 10 kilograms, what number would you want to give her? 5 kilos, okay. You just add 3 kilos to her. Yeah, she's quite angry now. She's only 2. Yeah, because when it comes to weight, girls are quite sensitive, yeah? Alright, so 2 kilos, would you want to handle her for like 10 minutes by yourself? You don't mind, yeah? You have to come closer because I need to go for my tea break now, so you have to handle her. Is it okay? That's very good. But she's very confident, by the way. Now, one last shot, everybody. We'll rotate that side too. Good shots. Good. Very nice. Okay. Thank you so much, Hazel, for joining us. And home is right over that side with Wani. Bye-bye. That side. There we go. Everybody, Hazel, our hooded vulture from Africa. Well done. You're really good. I'll take the girlfriend from you. Thank you so much for that. How was the entire experience for you? Was it good?
It's really nice.
It was really nice. First time, right?
Yep.
Very good. That is a long experience for you. You remember what's the bird's name still?
Hazel.
Please do not forget that. Okay, very good.
Mine's Hazel.
Oh yeah, very close, yeah? Very good. Everybody, Ethel from Thailand. Very nice. Thank you so much for helping me out. Here you go, right over this side. Yeah, that's my home, that's this side. There we go. Thank you for your brave and sporting volunteer. Now Hazel was a very small one, but the next vulture coming out is way bigger than Hazel. Unfortunately though, he went through lots of hurdles in the midst of his destination and landed up here in Singapore. So without further ado, presenting to you, Ganges. Everybody, this is Ganges, our Himalayan griffon vulture. It can be found in the higher regions of the Himalayas. But some migrating juveniles heading south happen to lose their way and find themselves stranded across parts of Asia. So he happened to be one of them. Now quite weak and dehydrated, so he landed up in Singapore back in 2005 along the shopping districts of Orchard Road. Alright, he was not shopping for sure. So very tired, the authorities called us. We went down to rescue him and bring him back to Great Pinko County. So folks, take a good look at him now. Does he really strong and healthy? Yeah, he joined a big part of the Bird Park family. Thank you so much, Gadgets boy. Let's make way for your other friends now, okay? Thank you so much. Right up to your left side. Bye-bye. That was the Himalayan griffon vulture once again. Now with that, everybody, we shall continue. When one vulture descends upon a carcass, more vultures will follow. Alright, I can see all of you are very fixated on the one that just came out. Yeah, we have a very menacing one. And that would be a Cinereus vulture. Cinereus vultures can be found throughout Europe and Asia. And of course, the two smaller sizes, those are the white-backed vultures. White-backed vultures can be found in Africa, just like Hazel that we saw earlier. Now, vultures are very important in the ecosystem, everybody. They're known as keystone species. That means they stop the spread of contagious diseases by feeding on all the dead animals. That is why they're so crucial in the entire animal kingdom. But still, they are rapidly declining in the wild. Now, that's why we need to do our part to save these amazing animals against extinction. So do read up more on the vultures, definitely, and could take your part in how you can conserve and of course continue preserving this amazing species against extinction. Now, having said all of that and seen these amazing birds flown here today, I'm very sure all of you would agree with me that they certainly deserve and merit the title, the Kings of the Skies. Thank you so much for being here today and for enduring the amazing heat today. Now, before you exit the arena, do take all your belongings with you. If any of you have any questions or queries, feel free to come now. I'll be able to assist you as well. I'm John once again. I hope you were really entertained and enjoyed the show. Thank you so much, everybody. Have a good day at the park and goodbye.